integration. Consider triple integral as I equal to integration from x equal to a to b, next integration from y equal to g1x to g2x, and z equal to f1x to f2y, of h of x, y, z, dz, dy, dx. Integration with respect to z first, then with respect to y, and then finally with respect to x. Limits of z are functions of x, y, limits of y are functions of x, and limits of x are constants. So what is the meaning of this integral? It is the integration of h of x, y, z over the volume bounded by z equal to f1 of x, y, z to z equal to f2 of x, y, z, y equal to g1 of x to g2 of x, and x equal to a to x equal to b. Note these points. Outermost limits are always constant. Innermost limits may be constant or may be function of single variable, may be function of two variables. So different types of examples are direct evaluation, limits are not provided, removing z, and use of Dirichlet's theorem. Type number 1, direct evaluation. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1, y square to 1, and 0 to 1 minus x, dz, dx, dy. Already the order of integration is given. We have to integrate with respect to z first, then x, and then with respect to y. So innermost are the limits of z, then next they are the limits of x, and outermost limits are limits of y. Observe that the outermost limits are constants. So we have to integrate with respect to z first. So the term in z is dz, its integration is z. X is constant, then limits 0 to 1 minus x are substituted. Then we have x 1 minus x dx dy, then it is integrated with respect to x, so x square by 2 minus x cube by 3, then the limits are substituted, and then we got a single integral to be integrated with respect to y, integrated and limits are substituted. So final answer is 4 divided by 35. Next example, evaluate integration from 0 to 2, 0 to x, 0 to 2x plus 2y, e raised to x plus y plus z, dz, dy, dx. The innermost limits are limits of z, then limits of y, and then finally limits of x. So integrate with respect to z, integration of exponential term as it is, then limits 0 to 2x plus 2y are substituted. Then we have to integrate with respect to y. So e raised to 3x plus 3y divided by 3 minus e raised to x plus y. Then limits of y are 0 and x substituted. Then we have to integrate with respect to x by usual method, integrated, and limits 0 to 2 are substituted to get the final answer.